Aspen version 8 raises the bar from integrated engineering solutions to activated engineering. We believe activated analysis will lead to better design decisions, improve engineering efficiency by up to 20%, and lead to more energy efficient and cost-effective processes. Let's see how this works. The new activation panel appears at the top of the screen by default. I can raise or lower the view or place this panel on the right side of my screen according to my preference. Click the Energy Analysis tile to get started. Activated Energy Analysis automatically evaluates your process designs using heat pinch technology. The default view shows the energy cost savings opportunity and the cost of greenhouse gas emissions relative to limiting targets. These are based on the process utility costs and the carbon tax that I entered before. I can click here to switch to a consumption view to see the total heating and cooling loads and the greenhouse gas emissions rate. I can take this a step further and let the system use pinch technology to automatically evaluate options to move, resize, or add heat exchangers to improve the energy efficiency. Now let's take a look at Activated Economic Analysis. Activated Economic Analysis provides continuous feedback on relative costs. The system calculates the total installed capital cost and the net operating cost for my process. Aspen Tech's unique, proven cost modeling technology is used under the hood to help guide better design decisions based on rigorous cost analysis. I can drill down to the details by clicking the dialog launchers on the lower right side of the tiles. If I click here, I can see a detailed summary of the process utilities. This view shows me an itemized list of the individual equipment. These preliminary cost estimates can be handed over to estimators for further evaluation using Aspen Capital Cost Estimator. Activated Analysis guides better decision-making based on proven heat pinch and cost modeling technology. You don't need to be an expert to use this feature. As the design matures, the energy analysis and economic analysis files can be handed over to pinch experts and estimators for more thorough review using Aspen Energy Analyzer or Aspen Capital Cost Estimator. This helps promote collaboration and efficiency within and between departments in your organization.